Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 16th of August in the year 2024, our system has classified Microsoft as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.41. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this time frame. We will keep an eye on this assessment to observe how it develops in the forthcoming days. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decline within this trend. The existing 3-month trend implies a potential decrease of 3.1% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -9% to +6.61%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 35.9% over the next year, with potential returns between 29.81% and 56.79%. This suggests a price range of $543.21 to $656.11 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Microsoft includes the headline, "Evaluation of Microsoft stock downgraded after the last trading session." The Microsoft stock price experienced a decline of nearly 0.6% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, dropping from $421.03 to $418.47. During that trading session, the stock fluctuated by 0.97%, with a low of $417.30 and a high of $421.34. The stock has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and has risen by 2.44% over the past 2 weeks. Volume on the last day rose by 2 million shares, albeit amid falling prices. This situation may serve as an early warning, slightly increasing the risk over the next few days. In total, 21 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $8,740 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $468.35, while the lowest stood at $309.45. Currently, the price is 10.65%, or $49.88, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft's recent earnings report revealed a slight miss on expectations, raising concerns among analysts about the impact of generative artificial intelligence on the company's growth trajectory. The company experienced a notable drop in share price, but has shown resilience, bouncing back recently, although it remains down about 10.5% since early July. The substantial growth in capital expenditure, focused on expanding Microsoft's cloud and AI capacities, hints at long-term strategic positioning, though questions linger regarding potential impacts on profit margins. Adding to the scrutiny, a national shareholder rights litigation firm is investigating Microsoft for possible violations of securities laws, which could affect investor sentiment in the short term. This investigation highlights the ongoing regulatory and transparency challenges that large corporations face amid heightened investor activism. Despite these pressures, Microsoft is actively seen as an attractive buy due to its foundational role in the artificial intelligence space, even if its stock has underperformed relative to its peers. Some notable investors, such as billionaire David Tepper, have recently reduced their positions in Microsoft, which may influence market perceptions and trading patterns. In the immediate future, the focus will likely be on how effectively Microsoft navigates the scrutiny from both investors and legal challenges. In the longer term, their commitment to cloud and artificial intelligence innovations may ultimately drive value and recovery, making current price levels potentially advantageous for long-term investors. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned Microsoft a rating of outperform with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, Goldman Sachs rated Microsoft as buy with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Oppenheimer also rated Microsoft as outperform with a hold recommendation. Additionally, on Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, KeyBank rated Microsoft as overweight with a hold recommendation. Barclays provided a similar assessment, rating Microsoft as overweight with a hold recommendation on the same day. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Microsoft stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong sell rating. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts are more optimistic, giving the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, and so far it has risen approximately 6%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, there are also some negative signals that could impact short-term developments. The Microsoft stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock continue to gain, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $432.83. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $412.27. A breakthrough through the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will reinforce the sell signal and intensify the overall outlook. Notably, volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 20 days ago. In examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 7 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $418.35. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.04 between its high and low, representing a change of 0.97%. In the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 1.10%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 22nd of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $3.09. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $422.92. If you do not currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft faces its first support level at $418.35. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of July, 2024, Jala Alice L. conducted an insider sale of 177,469 shares of common stock. On the 7th of June, 2024, Walmsley Emma N. conducted an insider purchase of 234 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Rodriguez Carlos A. conducted an insider purchase of 5,369 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Pritzker Penny S. conducted an insider purchase of 20,894 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Peterson Sandra E. conducted an insider purchase of 40,358 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of minus 82.016. In total, insiders purchased 14,177 shares and sold 204,299 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Currently, Microsoft displays several negative signals, and we believe it will likely continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate to a sell recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 19th of August, we anticipate Microsoft to open at a decrease of approximately 56 cents, beginning trading at $419.04. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.